Welcome to the project demonstration of library robot with the display of book number. In this project we are using PIC microcontroller, an LCD display, buzzer and relay, and RFID reader also. So these are the tags so these tags are connected to this every book. So we'll see the demonstration. So first of all we have to on the circuit. So we have two switches. One is for battery on, another is for board on. So here we can see I press this one switch and battery is on, and I have to press this switch also for the board supply. So in normal condition it will be run. So if any book is nearly to this robot, it will detect. We can see the book number and it will show in digital signals and processing. This is the book RFID reader tag, RFID tag. So this tag is given to that digital signal and processing book. And here we can see the embedded book. So here we can see the book number and embedded systems. So here we can see in normal condition it will shows monitoring. So I press this one, it will shows book number and book name also. This is the embedded book, embedded system. So in EC branch it will show that indicate if any book any CAC book, it will detect and give buzzer. So it not give buzzer for the EC department books, but it will give the buzzer for the CAC book. Here we can see the web technologies book. So the working of the RFID. So this tag will content of one electromagnetic coil. That coil is placed to this here. Then this coil will be energized. Then it will be read that coil number. Here we can see the coil number. So that coil number is read by this RFID reader. Then it will give the signal to this microcontroller. In this way, each book tag will be read by this reader. And also we are using charging circuit. So in this charging circuit we have step down transformer. It will take 230 volts of AC and it will step down up to 12 volts of AC. That 12 volts of AC will be given to this bridge rectifier input. Then bridge rectifier we know that bridge rectifier working, it will convert AC to DC. So that AC 12 volts AC current will be converted into DC current. So that DC voltage, 12 volts DC voltage will be used for this charging purpose, this battery charging purpose. Here we can see. So which means this light is for charging indication. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.